Okay. So we can use the payback period to see if this project is good. Question number 5, it is estimated that an investment in a new process will cause the following cash flows. Okay, in year 0, year 1, year 2, year 3, year 4, year 5, and year 6. In year 0, it will give us 600, 100 in year 1, 150 in year 2, and 200 in the other years up to the 60th year. So how do you use the payback period? When do you know when is the payback period? This is what you do. You can have the cumulated cash flows here, the cumulative cash flows. What does it mean to accumulate the cash flows? There's no need of discounting now, okay? Just get the negative 600 you have here, negative 600. Then you start adding, okay? You say negative 600 plus 100. What do you get? You're accumulating. Negative 600 plus 100. What do you get? Negative 500, isn't it?
Yes, negative 500.
Negative 500 plus 150. So in short, 150 minus, 150.
350.
What? Negative 350. Negative 350 plus 200.
Negative 150.
Negative 150. So negative 150 plus 200.
50.
It is positive what? 50. Right? So it is the positive number 50. So now, how you find the payback period? The payback period, you get the year. When you got the positive what? When you got the positive cash flow, right? The positive cash flow, it was in year 4. In year 4, that is when your money was returned, right? So it's somewhere between year 3 and 4. In between, that's when the business managed to give back everything that you invested in. Is that okay?
Yes.
Yes. So that is what is there. The cash flow, A over B. So A is that year, which is 3 plus A, the other A on top is this amount of the last negative value. The absolute value is 150, the last negative, divided by the next cash flow, this cash flow, the next one. It is what? 200, isn't it?
Sorry, so where did you put the 3? I'm a bit behind on that one.
It's the year in which you have the last negative. So what do you get? 150 divided by 200. 150 divided by 200. You get 0.75, isn't it?
Yes. So,
which means the payback period is 3.75 years. Which means 75 is 3 quarters, right? That's 3 quarters. Like that is in quarter 3. If in terms of the years, 75% of the year, that should be somewhere in September, 9 months. So it's 3 years and 9 months. Is that clear? Approximately.
Yes.
So just to get this capital A, I should write it like this. The capital A is the year in which you have the what? The last negative. Then the small a is the absolute value of that negative. Then B is the next cash flow. The next what? Cash flow. Did you get that one?
Yes.
We use this when we are dealing with the cash flows that are not constant, that keep on changing, but like these are not constant, they have changed. But where the cash flows are like constant, maybe you had the 200 from top up to down. You could have just divided the amount divided by what? By the number of years, then you're fine. So there is no need of suffering. Any question? So about the interpretation, you can always get the project that whose payback period is shorter. Okay, so the payback period, we usually use it when we are comparing the projects. Like you have maybe 3 projects, so you're trying to compare to choose the best. If you follow the payback period method, you have to choose the one that has got a shorter payback period because it is able to give back your money as quick as possible. It means that it does not take a lot of time before it can give back your money, right?
Yes.
That's what it means.